Hey, beautiful souls! This is me, and thank you for being here. As you know, I'm trying to be consistent on here as your local influencer. So, join me on an unforgettable adventure to the stunning southern islands. In this journey, I'll take you through breathtaking landscapes, from serene seas to lush mountains, teeming with wildlife. Experience the vibrant local culture as we interact with the friendly islanders. Don't miss out on this visual feast of nature and culture. Let's dive into the beauty of the southern islands together. Honestly, it was one of my incredible journeys to the enchanting southern islands. In this adventure, I invite you to explore the breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture of these hidden gems. Our journey begins with stunning views of the crystal clear sea, where the gentle waves and vibrant marine life set the stage for an unforgettable experience. As we venture further, you'll meet the warm and welcoming locals who share their daily routines, giving us a glimpse into their unique way of life. Their smiles and stories add a rich layer to our adventure. One of the highlights of our trip was hopping onto a local vehicle that brought a delightful twist to our travel. The ride was filled with laughter and unexpected moments, showcasing the charm and humor of island life. As we navigate through the island, we'll explore majestic mountains and lush landscapes, where towering trees and vibrant flora surround us. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife, including playful deer that roam freely in their natural habitat. Each encounter with nature is a reminder of the beauty and diversity that these islands have to offer. From walking through the heart of the island to exploring the dense forests, every moment is filled with wonder and excitement. So, be with me as we uncover hidden trails, discover breathtaking viewpoints, and immerse ourselves in the rich vibes of life on the southern islands. This journey is not just about the sights, it's about the connection we make and the stories we share along the way. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this adventure together, where every moment is a celebration of nature, culture, and the joy of exploration. is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures.